Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about operators and how to manage the input outputs in C language. You have different types of operators like arithmetic operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, relational operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operator, and miscellaneous operators. The increment and decrement operators, of course, come under the arithmetic group. So let's see one by one. Arithmetic operators. So in this group we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operators. These four are commonly used operators. And this is something new, modulus operator, which is also called as the remainder operator, which will provide us the remainder of the division operation. Then plus plus operator, this is increment operator, which will increment the value of value by 1. Decrement operator will decrement the value by. Let's see some other examples. Let's assume A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. We have used different operators like plus, minus, star, divide, and we can see the corresponding output. A plus B, 5 plus 2, 7. A minus B, 5 minus 2, 3, like this. And coming to the mod operator, when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2, you see here C is equal to A mod B, that is 5 mod 2. In the division of 5 by 2, the remainder is 1. Quotient is 2, remainder is 1. And here for this expression, we are getting the answer as 1 because this mod operator provides the remainder. So 5 by 2, in the operation of 5 by 2, remainder is 1. Similarly, coming to the next example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, that is 5 mod 3. So here quotient is 1, remainder is 2, that is why answer is 2. One more example, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, 3 mod 5. Here the remainder is 3 because 3 divided by 5 means quotient is 0, remainder is 3. So the mod operator provides the remainder 3 as the output. Okay. And here all these operators up to this, from plus to this one, these are binary operators because here two operands are involved in all these things. That is why which are called as the binary operators. Two operands are two data. C, A plus B. So A is one operand, B is another operand. Two operands are two data. So two operands are involved means that is called as the binary operator. The last two things, increment and decrement operators, are called as a unary operator because here only one operand is involved, one operand or one data. So look at the example, plus plus A. So here we have assumed A is equal to 5. So plus plus A will give us 6 because this operator is the increment operator. This increments the value of A by 1. So 5 is incremented by 1, so 6. A plus plus 6. Minus minus A, 4. A minus minus 4 because this operator is a decrement operator, decrements the value of A. This 5 by 1, so which is 4. So here in all these operations, only one operand or one data is involved, so it is called as the, so these two operators are called as the unary operators. Okay, here actually we have two types of increment and decrement operations, that is post increment, pre increment. So see the examples. B is equal to A plus plus. So this is called as the post increment. That means the value of A will be first assigned to the left hand side variable, then it will increment the value of A by 1. That is, it will post the value of A first and increment the value of A by 1. Okay, so the increment operation is done after the assignment. That is why it is called as the post increment. Okay, so after this is executed, what will happen? Value of B is 5 because A is first assigned. After the assignment, the increment operation is performed. Okay, so B is equal to 5, A is equal to 6. Hope you understood. Post increment. If you post the value of A first and then increment, or we can say the increment operation is done post the assignment operation. Okay, anyway you can understand. In pre-increment, here you see B is equal to plus plus A. So pre-increment, as the name implies, increment operation is performed prior to the assignment operation. So already A is assumed to be 5. So because of this increment operator, 5 becomes 6. Okay, then 6 will be assigned to the B. So now for this operation, both B and A are 6. Same thing happens in the post decrement, pre decrement. You see here, now you can say the answer. B is equal to A minus minus. Okay, so A is first posted or assigned to B variable. That is why 5 is assigned to the variable B first. Then the decrement operation is done after the assignment operation. So A becomes 4. Pre-decrement. So prior to assignment, the decrement operation is performed. So minus minus A becomes B is equal to 4 and A is equal to 4. Minus minus A means minus minus 5. So 5 becomes 4. 4 will be assigned to B and B. Okay. Logical operators. Here we have 3 different types of logical operators: and, or, and not. These operators are used to combine more than one conditions. When we take decision, okay, when we have one more conditions, we can make use of these operators. So let's look at some of the examples. Assume A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Here we have 2 conditions. A less than B is one condition and B less than C is another condition. So the logical AND operation means when both the conditions are true, the overall condition is true. Here you see for this assumed values, A less than B first condition which is satisfied. B less than C is 2 less than 3 is also satisfied. So 2 conditions are satisfied. So that the overall condition provides true. Whereas the logical OR means, as the name implies, when either one of the conditions is satisfied, the output is true. Here for this example, A less than B is satisfied because 1 less than 2. Then C less than B, that is 3 less than 2. This is not satisfied. The condition 1 is satisfied, condition 2 is not satisfied. But what is the nature of this operation? Logical OR operation. When either one of these 2 conditions is satisfied, the output is true. Since the condition 1 is satisfied, output is true. Then coming to the NOT operation, logical NOT. Okay, so it will negate the condition. Here you see exclamatory symbol followed by a condition A less than B. A less than B is 1 less than 2, satisfied. But we use the logical NOT operation. So this condition is true. Okay, NOT of true is false. That is why it is false. Okay, suppose if this condition fails, okay, this is false, the NOT of false will become true. But for this example, this condition is satisfied, so true, NOT of true, false. Last example, A less than B and B less than C. The overall condition is negated. Okay. So AND operation we know, and both the conditions are to be satisfied to get it true. A less than B, that is 1 less than 2 is satisfied. Second condition, B less than C, 2 less than C, that is 2 less than 3 is also satisfied. Both the conditions are satisfied. So true. The logical and the 2 conditions are satisfied. So true. Not of true. So similarly, we can go for any number of conditions. 2 or 3 or up to n we can go for.